nice to see you again, and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something very nice, like always, something easy, taste, and al bacio. I'm gonna use classic Italian sausages. I'm gonna make some spiral with courgette and pastry. I show you what we need. Of course, we're gonna use. I bought some pastry in supermarket. I'm gonna use some ham, blue cheese, mortadella, but you can use everything you like. Some classic Italian sausages, ask your butcher. This is one of the best. Garlic, salt, pepper, garlic and fennel seeds. We use 1 egg, the yolk, just for the pastry, and courgette. Okay? This is what we need. Take your pastry, turn on the oven 200 degrees, preheat it, because we're gonna put it in the oven. Gonna cook around 15-20 minutes. Later I'm gonna be more precise. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, or check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We are not master chef, but we cook very well for the family. Al bacio. The pastry, we need around 3 fingers like that. Yeah, you're not gonna be precise. Okay, cut like that. 1, 2. This one I cut in 4 pieces. Okay. Second thing, we cut the courgette. Okay, not too thick, but not too thin. Okay. Take your pastry, leave maybe 2 fingers from here, and start put your courgette like this. Take 1 sausages, skin off, sausage, skin off. I choose classic Italian because it's quite gluten-free, 100% meat. I like it. But you can use any sausages, meat, or just mince. Okay? Start put like that. Press. You're gonna block it. Press a little bit. It's important. Press. This one example, I put some cook ham, but I use Parma ham, salami, bresaola, everything you like. Okay? Put something like this. And the cheese as well, if you like. If you don't like, don't put. Blue cheese, I use this one. And now is the thing. Take and roll it. Slowly, slowly. You know? Roll, 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 roll. Roll, roll, roll. Look at that. It's flour. I'm gonna prepare the other one, the different flavor. You prepare your, if you want one small, do one like this. The pastry we can use always. I show you. Easy. Like this. Like this. Take your sausages. We do one with mortadella, maybe. I love mortadella. Just block. Take some mortadella. This example we do without cheese, okay? And roll it. You can do vegetarian. Oh yeah. Okay?
Rose.
Beautiful. Roses, okay? Okay, guys, you do all your roses. Look there. Is absolutely beautiful, okay? And easy and taste. Now, what we're gonna do, yolk. I put 2 yolk. I don't know how much you're gonna need. Just break it. like when you do the sausage rolls, you know, and gentle brush the pastry and go in the tray for the oven. Okay, do all of them. Okay guys, they're ready to go in the oven. Before you put in the oven, some salt and pepper. Okay, I like as well, just on the top, a little touch of olive oil. These guys go in the oven 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna be more precise later. See you when we're gonna test it. Okay guys, my rolls, they look like rolls. They're ready. 40 minutes in the oven, 200 degrees. The smell is absolutely amazing. The Italian sausages rolls, spiral. I don't know how I gonna call it, but it's this. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.